This video will guide you through the installation of the L-TWOO electronic cable puller shifter. Before installation, ensure that the switch is paired with the shifter. The switch is only compatible with flat bar bicycles with a diameter of 20 to 0.2 mm. Use a 2.5 mm hex wrench to loosen the clamp screw counterclockwise. Position the switch in the desired spot, then tighten the screw clockwise. Remove the rubber cap, thread the shifting cable and fit it into the shift cable housing. Align the battery with the locking slot on the main unit, and press down to secure it. Attach the anti-slip pad. Since the shifter is not subject to tension during use, it can be secured anywhere, such as on the top tube, using cable ties. Press the reset button on the shifter to reset the gear position. Thread the shifting cable through the rear derailleur cable stop. Tighten the cable and lock it with the fixing screw. Use wire cutters to trim any excess cable length. This completes the L-TWOO cable puller shifter installation. Thank you for watching this video.